How to send a message later on Microsoft Outlook. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to send a message later on Outlook. First thing, go to your Outlook. This is the home page. Now go right here and click no message, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is write your message right here, add the subject and the person that you want to send it to, and after you finish, go right here and don't click on send directly. Go here, click on this little arrow right here and click send later. Now choose when you want to send it automatically. For example, tomorrow morning or Sunday morning, or you can custom time right here. After you finish, click send. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.